Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly go to the upper bar, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. By tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions like media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar events. You can add a schedule for this mode. For example, you can change its name, you can change days on which it will be active, you can change start time, end time of the schedule. You can also set default duration for this mode, and you can hide notifications. You can hide only sound from notifications, or you can just hide them full. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.